Today in this video we are going to see how to create Microsoft Azure free subscription or free trial with $200 credit. So this is the official Microsoft website. I'm pretty much sure you have seen a couple of videos earlier, but this is new video which I'm recording in 2026. So this is going to be complete process on how to create an Azure account, which is going to be absolutely free, and you can avail this subscriptions, I mean to say the free services which is available, and also you will get $200 credits. Also you have to keep in mind that the credits which they are providing, it is going to be available only for 30 days. So you can use this $200 for any of the Azure services. Okay, so let's get started. So if you're not aware how to come to this particular website, I'll put this link in the description, or you can just in the search bar, Google or any search browser which you're using, just type Azure free trial. Once you hit that, you have to click on the first account and you will be rerouted to this page, as you can see here, which already we saw. So what you have to do here is you have to just click on try Azure for free. It will be routing you to this page where it will ask you to sign in. If you have not created a Microsoft account, you can just hit this create one button, and irrespective of what domain you choose, you can create a Microsoft account. So either it could be your personal domain account, it could be Google account, it could be Outlook account, but generally I would say if you don't have, and if you are using it for the first time, or you want to keep your learning curves and developer tools separately from your personal account, then you can just create one Outlook account which is completely free of cost. Okay, in my case I already have an account, so what I will do is I will just click on sign in and I will provide the credentials here. Once you sign in with your Microsoft account, you will land on this page, and as you can see, we have couple of details or steps, you can say, which we have to follow to complete the free trial subscription, or you can say accommodation. So the first information is it is for personal use or organization. So in my case it is personal use. The country or region is already selected. First name, everything looks good. Email is already filled in here, and I think the phone number is mandatory. Let me provide a phone number. So I've given the phone number. So this is not actual phone number, it is random phone number. And here I will just give the company name, anything, like I'll just put random alphabets here, and I'll scroll down and everything looks good. Then I'll hit next. Here you have to provide your basic details such as city and state, all those details. And if you want to opt for Microsoft, like how Microsoft should contact you, you can just check this. Or if you want to receive any tips or tricks or any sort of offers which is coming up in future, you can just opt for this. It's like a subscription, so you can ignore this as well, but the first option is mandatory. So I have just checked this box and I'll hit next. Once you do that, it will take you to payments page. Here as you can see, I have to provide my card details. Either you can go with debit card or credit card. So these are the companies I'm saying, like Visa and MasterCard is supported. You can try RuPay card as well. I have seen in couple of cases RuPay card does work, but make sure when you're trying to give your credentials here, I mean to say the card details here, make sure that the international transaction is enabled. So if you are not aware, please log into your phone or mobile app of the bank provider which you own. Then once you give the details and enable the international transaction from the app, then you can come here and fill in the details and hit next. So in my case, I'm not going to show you the card details and everything. So once I'll put the credentials, address is taken by default. If you want to make some changes, you can do that as well. And once I give the details here, card details, I will just hit sign up. As you can see here, transaction of 2 rupees will be debited from your credit card or debit card, whatever you are providing. So it will be refundable, don't worry about that. So for verification purpose, they are going to ask you the OTP, but as I told, they are not going to charge you anything unless you are going to upgrade the subscription from free trial to pay as you go. So don't worry about the transaction, like in future they are going to charge you much, so don't worry about that. It is just simple for verification purpose they are doing this. Now you can see here the payment method is added, and I'll hit sign up. Then it will ask you to protect your account by using multi-factor authentication. Let's hit next. As you can see, this is the home page, and welcome to Azure. Let's hit continue, and then they are going to ask you a couple of questions. And as I told, we have an expiry of 30 days. The credits which they provide here, which is $200. You can either create a resource or start a template, deploy or build an AI agent. So you can choose whatever you want, but in my case I'm going to skip this and I will take you to the subscription. In the top search bar, you can just search for subscriptions, and if you hit the subscription, As you can see, the Azure subscription is available here. So let me open this. Here in the top right, you can see all the free services which are available. So if you are going to use any of the services within the limit, as you can see, then they are not going to charge you anything for that. Okay. And suppose if you want to use some of the services which is paid, so as I told that Microsoft is going to give you $200 credits, you can use that $200 credits to use that subscription. And if you want to know more about the services, then you can just hit view all free services, and you can see the complete list what you are going to get with this Azure free subscription. And all those free subscription will be available for 12 months, as you can see here. So in 12 months you can use all these services for completely free of cost. And if you want to know the credits left or what you are going to charge, you can just under the cost management, you can see here, you can just click on cost analysis or budget, you will get the details. So currently this is new subscription, so you know it is going to take a while to load all these details. So currently you don't I don't see anything, but in your case, if you have created and it's been a while, then you can obviously see the details here. You can see the budget, you can create a cost alert if it is reaching from a certain amount. But as I told, irrespective of what you do here, it doesn't matter how much you are going to be charged, because as I told, it is free trial, and unless you go and upgrade it to pay as you go, it is not going to affect anything on your credit or debit card. So I hope you got an idea how to create this Azure subscription for free with $200 credits. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment down below. I also make videos on cloud architecture and cloud content. You can just visit my site or a YouTube channel playlist as well to get more details about my channel. So I hope you like this video. We'll see you in next upcoming videos, the new topic or discussion.